A lot of activities have taken in all levels, but now we also need to be aware that students are going to transition to the university. And when they come to the university, they are going to be different kinds of students. So we need to be ready for them. And it is appropriate that we start with teacher education, because already there are teachers who are getting out of the higher education system and they're going to teach in those CBC classrooms. And I'm very proud because this is the first time we have a joint venture, whether you are in public or private. And so we have been journeying in responding to teacher education from 2019 when we began. We're going to have a Bachelor of Education program that is benchmarked with the best practices that are available that have chosen to support us, and that's why I thank ISDEF for agreeing to journey with us in this process. And I can assure the Kenyan students or children who are interested in teacher education, we are assuring you a very good experience in being trained to become a teacher in preparation for the CBC students in the university and even the teaching in the basic education.
We are here and we are doing this not on behalf of University of Embu only, but actually all the universities in Kenya that teach education. And therefore, for us, this is something that is very momentous in that the government of Estonia, through a partnership
This agreement with the University of Embu is to work together on building teacher professionalism in Kenya and to equip the teachers with the know-how and competencies, including digital competencies, to be able to better deliver the CBC curriculum. What we are doing is really we are sharing experience from Estonia, from our recent history and how we have built up the teacher profession as a whole.
Na rĩo Ritana nĩ rĩrĩkĩtie gũikia kũrĩ endia a ndawa guothe bũrũri-inĩ gũkoragwo